Well, once again, good evening, all. Um, Lack of my language problem. I will, I will do this session very slowly, and sorry for that. So that was December 2019. We were in MCR HRD. We are in middle of HCTF 10th festival, Hyderabad Children's Theatre Festival 10th edition. So at that moment, Vaishali Bist, she told me that, see, we are going to apply for one project called Theatre YOLO. For the first time I heard about the Theatre YOLO, and for the first time I didn't get actually what are the project and what we are going to do actually. So later actually mm, I I actually much I didn't much thought about this project, but in the March actually Vaishali said, uh, we are selected for the um, project, and we were three, Shayo and you, Pallavi and me, we four of going to there, and we need to do some, I mean, you people are need to some R&D work, research and develop work. But these words are first time to me. Since my childhood I'm doing theater, but that's a another kind of theater, and this is Theatre YOLO. What you people are doing, that is a new kind of theater to me, and yeah, I want to learn, and I want to know, I want to do a production. See, from since from 3 or 4 years I want to prepare a, actually I thought to do, I want to prepare a production for extremely children, but lack of budget and production cost. See, I am missing the production, I'm missing that play. But okay, I thought, okay, this is that project, we can use it, fine, okay. But I have some language problem, but no problem, Vaishali is helping on me. And okay, what I mean, what Theatre YOLO's what Lee's ideas, I mean, what it say, what he thinks about us, what he thinks about our work, and what he wants to take from us. So before we are meeting, before we are going to meet, so blah blah blah, all these kind of emotions and all these kind of I um, questions are came to my mind actually. So finally, wait has over, and my first meeting with Lee about this project, and Michelle also. So on 8th June 2020, so in that meeting, Vaishali has helped me on translation. Not only in that meeting, so since the first meeting until now, she's helping me on translation. And coming to Lee, yeah, he was so nice and very friendly. Yeah, then till my first meeting with Theatre YOLO, my other practitioners, Shayo and Pallavi, they are a bit ahead of me. I mean, मैंने ये काम करने से पहले, मतलब ये मीटिंग करने से पहले आप लोग ने कुछ काम करके, मतलब कुछ मीटिंग्स भी हो गया, और आप लोग भी कुछ काम करके, कुछ राइटिंग वॉट एवर इट इज, रिसर्च वर्क आपने शुरू की, मतलब एक कदम आगे थे आप लोग। तो इसीलिए वैशाली मुझे, मतलब सताते नहीं, वैशाली मुझे हमेशा बोलते रहते, भागो भागो, वो लोग तुम्हारे मतलब पीछे पड़ गए, तुम पीछे पड़ गए बोल के। कैन यू प्लीज ट्रांसलेट?
I will.
Yeah.
So, Lee, because his first meeting happened about 2 to 3 weeks after Shayo's and my first meeting with you, and that's why we were a little ahead of work. I think we had already met twice before you met Santosh for the first time. and that's why he was a little behind. He had fallen a little behind, and Vaishali was encouraging him to catch up, and that is what he's talking about.
Oh, thank you, Pallavi.
The only
Yeah.
clarification is the word he used is worry. I was worried.
He said Vaishali was egging him on, like not just egging, like basically pushing him.
Right. Sorry,
Right.
carry on, Santosh.
So then मैंने भागना शुरू किया. मतलब I have started my run. So then I have shared my views to Lee on storyline. What kind of story I had in my mind. Like in this process, I have narrated to Lee a storyline of Fort's uncle, which was given by Vaishali. Actually, she used to hear this story from her mother since her childhood. She shared about the story to me. Actually, I mean, not whole the story, but that's a different kind of line, and mine is different actually. In the process, the story was changed actually a little bit. So then, before this thought, actually, Vaishali, she has given me this thought. So before this thought, actually, some storylines are came to my mind, like why, I mean, we are middle in the corona actually at that time, April or May. Why this kind of pandemic, like corona situations has happening, like my feel was like that, whatever we have done, I mean, whatever we have done, good or bad, we means here not you and me, the humans, whatever we have done, the bad things which is coming back as in karma, as a karma. Have you understood, Lee?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, yeah, in the corona, I mean, I felt like that whatever we have done before, the bad things, this is coming back to us in karma. So I truly believed. So then the second thought was based on rapes in India, like which is 3 months, from the 3 months baby to 80 years old women were attacking to the rapes in India actually. So based on these storylines, I want to make a play. I thought before this meeting was happened. So then I was realized, I thought that my age group is 8 to 12 only. In this age group, actually, they won't get these kind of storylines. Actually, in that age group, they need fun and they need to entertain with us. So then I thought that I am from Surabhi traditional family. We used to perform folk tale stories with magical kind of illusions, all this. So this with this impression only, since my childhood, I like fantasy kind of storylines, so that since so many years, actually, in my mind, actually, I want to make a fantasy play for extremely children. Then I thought, I was realized then, I have decided to prepare a story with the Fort's uncle, and using characterization, Fort's uncle characterization only. In this process, lots of with the Surabhi techniques, Fort's uncle characterization with the fantasy story and using Surabhi techniques. In this process, lots of questions, answers, and efforts came to my mind, and in the interactions with you, I mean, Lee, he will also say that before we are going to make a scene or a story or develop a work, a script, whatever it is, we need to prepare a questions and answer to ourselves regarding the storyline. Then you will get some kind of clarity on whatever you are going to do. So then those interactions are worked me. Before that, I never had these kind of interactions. I have done many plays, but um, uh, with these kind of interactions, I never done actually. I have never done. So then in this process, actually, Lee also raised some questions, which are what is the storyline, and what why it is happening, and what you want to say with this, and actually he need mood boards. Lee always actually visual, like visualing, but I have never done mood boards for the theater play. Yeah, I know about the mood boards a little bit. I heard mood boards. I heard about mood boards in the movies, but I never heard mood boards in the theater play. uh, I got confused after heard that voice word from the Lee. Then I have started to know about the mood boards. I took Pallavi's help also. She shared with me her mood boards, and then I got some ideas, and then okay, I know my storyline. Okay, these are okay. And finally, I took Google's help also, Google Mother help. Then I have developed. I make a mood board. Um, Thankfully, Lee was liked my mood boards, and then reference points. Actually, he needs some reference. Why you are going to make this play? So which are your reference points? So then, sorry, what are your reference points, and why you want to say this story only? Why you want to say this story only? See, for that, coming to that point, actually, before only I said I like fantasy. I like fantasy, which like kids also will enjoy, because some kind of illusions like weird will come and dragon will come. So like dragon will throw fire from her mouth. So this will attract the kids, 8 to 12 years kids. So uh, in that actually on that my age, 8 to 12 years, I saw Maya Bajar, my play. So when I was 4 to 5 years age, I saw Maya Bajar. I mean, Maya Bajar is my Surabhi is one of the best play. We we will use lots of techniques and illusions things. I hope you remember that play, Lee. Actually, you saw I shared that links to you, and uh, when I was 4 to 5 years old, I didn't like that play actually. But when I was 8 to 10 years age, I thoroughly enjoyed that play, Maya Bajar, that illusions. So based on that only, okay, with the illusions, I mean, they need comedy and they need a kind of wow like that. So then then only I thought to use the Surabhi techniques, not the before techniques. I need to make a newer techniques for extremely my play. Then uh, so then final is who are narrating the story. Actually, thankful to you, Lee. Actually, if you didn't raise this question, I never thought that to put a narrator in on my story. Because of you only, that idea was came to me that okay, I will use. I mean, will I will use the narrator also with the songs also. So then, and first I thought to prepare this play with single actor only, like a Charlie Chaplin and Mr. Bean's acting method, without dialogues and only acting. But lack of understandings, I have decided to go with two actors, which are father and son. And I mean, father will make the problems, and son will solve that problem with and so finally storyline has come to the mentorship of Lee and HCTF. Thanks to both of you. And basically, so I have a storyline. Now, I'm not a playwright. I'm not a writer. So somehow I have managed to make a storyline, but now I need a playwright. The same thing, what I felt, I shared with Lee and HCTF, and they gave me liberty to choose a playwright in my circle only. Then Chandrasekhar Indla, actually, he was senior to me and gold medalist in MPhil. Now he's pursuing his PhD, studied in Hyderabad Central University, and basically he was a writer. Before he's entering in the art theater field, he was a writer actually. So then he wrote some plays for children only. Then I want to go with him. Then so right now he is working in Aga Khan Academy as a drama teacher in Hyderabad. So then I spoke to him and I was narrated my storyline to him, and he was agreed. But he was raised one point that Santosh, your storyline is good, but with the two actors, I need to do a little struggle to write the script. If you agree with more characters, it will be more easier to me, and it will be more fun also. It will be more comical also, he said. But actually my main motto is need to do with only two actors, because decreasing the budget, and for the traveling also. In the traveling also, see, since my childhood I'm watching, I'm see, whenever we have a Surabhi play or other place, we will go 50 to 60 people of a troupe, and with two DCMs, two lorries of play, two lorries of material. So for the, what it say, Pallavi madam, can you please help me? Nirvahakulu, what it say? दो
Yes.
नाटक डालवाते हैं ना वो लोग, मतलब हमको पैसा दे के वो लोग कुछ फेस्टिवल में,
हाँ, the middleman.
कुछ फेस्टिवल में नाटक डालवाते हमसे. हाँ, मतलब उन लोग हमको पैसा देके, प्रोडक्शन का बजट देके हम लोगों को उन लोग नाटक करवा देते. लेकिन इतना 60 लोगों को खाना देना और ट्रैवलिंग और पैसा ऊपर से पैसा देना, ये सब मुश्किल हो रहे. मतलब एक एक को पैसा आने में, और इतना सारा, मतलब 5 लाख लिए तो भी इतना 50 लोगों को तक, एक बंदा को आने तक 2-3 दिन जाके नाटक कर रहे, लेकिन सबको 1000 रुपया मिल रहे. इसी की वजह से सुरभि का नाटक कोलैप्स हो गया. अभी एक्चुअली आज तक अभी नहीं करवा रहे, अभी नहीं कर रहे ना. तो ये मैं नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. मतलब इतना, इसीलिए बजट को डिक्रीज करना चाहता हूँ और ट्रैवलिंग को भी डिक्रीज करना चाहता हूँ. इसीलिए ये मैंने मेरा मेन मोटो की 2 एक्टर से बनाओ बोल के. तो प्लीज कैन यू प्लीज ट्रांसलेट मी?
Yes, I will. Traditionally, in the group that Santosh has worked, the Surabhi theatre group, they are used to making productions with a huge cast, and obviously, and also because of the kind of techniques they use, they also have a lot of props and technicians also. So they travel in huge groups, and they travel, they perform, and what comes to them as a group comes via another middleman. So by the time it reaches the individuals of this big group, it is so small, the earning is so small, that he's seen the negative side of that, and he wants to make a production with fewer number of actors in it, because he wants to like do the new, in the sense, like he wants to do it differently than it is being traditionally done in his group.
Also, sorry, quick add on that.
Yeah.
That Santosh mentioned that apart from the fact that because it's a group of 50 people, whatever the payment is divided by 50. The producers or the people who are hosting this troupe not only have to pay their performance fee, but then have to cover the costs of travel and food and accommodation for a much larger number. And that becomes more and more challenging. And he mentioned that this is why the Surabhi Theatre Company's plays have collapsed at this time.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
Missed that one.
Yeah.
So then okay, writer was agreed with my motto he has started his work and has given story, scene breakdowns. Meanwhile, have contacted to Chinna Anna Surabhi Chinna, who is my brother. In my family only. He is a set designer, and he was studied in Shantiniketan, Kolkata, and he actually in Surabhi. He is not.
संतोष सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. इन सुरभि ही इज अ के बाद कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. In Surabhi, actually, Chinna Anna, he is not an actor. He's only set. He's only set designer and painter. And so I have narrated this story line to him. Then he was okay with this because he don't want to use Surabhi's techniques, previous techniques. Actually, he want to create the new techniques with to play. So I like that idea also. Then we have divided scenes into parts for the set design. So in this time only, Lee has asked for storyboards. Before only I have never done. Before I never done mood boards. Then he was asking me for the mood board storyboards. Then see. Then, but in theater first time. But in theater, seriously, I'm sharing. In theater, first time I heard that word, the storyboards. Yeah, I heard for the movies, but not for the theater. So then, I don't know before that it will work theater also. So basically, I'm not a writer, and also I don't know how to draw. So then, I have asked for to Vaishali. Then, as usually, she scold me first, then gave me some idea like Vinaya. As usually, Vinaya take Vinaya's help, and she will help you. Then okay, I called her, but unfortunately, she met with accident at that time. Even also, she has. She gave her work, and which is really I enjoyed. I liked it, and submitted to Theatre YOLO. So then presently the writer is written 60% of play. 60% of play. I know him. This is why only I'm telling you 60% play as written, and now we are looking for a translator to Telugu to English. Actually, he is writing in English. Telugu. So obviously we need to translate it. So then, and I'm quite involved, and I'm quite happy with this project. So that's all from me, and hopefully YOLO and Lee will like this. Thank you so much. And so far, you have gave time to me, and you're giving time, and you all of you heard us. Patience. You sorry, I didn't make it. Thank you so much.
Understood.